What is the starting point for you in facing a challenging feeling and needing some wisdom to support you? Let yourself access and become aware of whatever the most challenging feelings are for you these days. So whether it's fear or anxiety, anger, abandonment, betrayal, loneliness, let yourself feel that and recognize that when you're there, it would probably be quite helpful to have access to a little wisdom. Feel the part as much as you can of yourself that cares for you and that wants the best realistic positive outcome. Ask the question that most addresses the direction you need to go to find the maximum healing. Like, what are the thoughts, qualities, and actions that will most serve me? Look for the simple, short guidance that is specific words to aim in a direction. Your simple wisdom will speak to you in a sentence or two, perhaps just a few words. It may be harmless. Take a breath and be kind. Have the courage to speak with conviction and sensitivity at the same time. Recognize you are doing the best you can. Be kind to yourself when you're feeling like this. These kinds of thoughts are your wisdom. They care about you, and they're simple. Come back again and again, especially when you're in your challenging feeling or feelings. Lead yourself in this positive loop from starting with an awareness of where you're suffering, recognizing that you want to move in a direction of caring for yourself. And then you want to ask the question or inquire, how can I support myself? Which will lead you to these simple guiding wisdom thoughts that are relational to the near future or to the present. Don't be surprised at all if you can't find them right away. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some practice. You're going to have to stay in the gap and be unsure. That's not the question. The real question is, can you tolerate being in the gap? Can you open yourself to be interested in finding your own simple wisdom? Statements of guidance with caring qualities that steer our focus is what we're looking for. What a relief it is when we even recognize when we're suffering that we have this capacity to look for thoughts that carry a quality of caring that are designed to serve us. It's so easy to forget that we have this capacity. We need to start with a question that's in our own best interest to have a chance to discover this wisdom. Every challenging feeling, if we listen carefully, is inviting us to find our most astute response that will serve our life and those we love. including larger and larger parts of the world, the more we develop. So let yourself join whatever is your most challenging feeling and take an interest in asking the question, now, what would most serve my well-being? What would be the way I can care for myself and others? Please give me the guiding thoughts that will most bring peace to my life and to those around me.